I get a lot of messages asking me how I fill these hampers and explosion boxes. So I decided I will make a video, just putting the photos in, sticking all the flowers and chocolates. And if you're thinking that there is some order or structure that I follow, then you're mistaken because it's just about trying it and seeing what looks good. A lot of the times we get stuck trying to find the right layout or the perfect way to do things, when it's all about figuring it out along the way and experiencing the fun of being wrong sometimes. That is one of the key lessons I learned along the years of making DIY crafts, making these YouTube videos, making the playhouse and the play kitchen for my daughter, that it is okay to mess up. It's just paper and cardboard and glue. You could just throw it all away and start over again.
I think I got carried away. What I am saying is, if you ask me how I do it, I could tell you exactly how to do it. But I'd rather have you feel the fun of tinkering with it yourself, because that's why it's called DIY, do it yourself. And on the topic of doing things, I would really love if you could hit that subscribe button and share it to all of your craftsy friends. All of your friends who are mothers, your little cousin who loves making origami, and that grandma who knits those beautiful winter socks. I am a young mother of one daughter who makes DIY crafts videos for you to gift your friends and lovers, and also sometimes a few overambitious projects for my daughter. That's all. Thank you so much for watching this video and listening to me talk about all the random things. Have a good one.